President Trump's incredible tweet regarding XRP, Solana, and Cardano are all joining the U.S. Crypto Strategic Reserve, but he wasn't finished because 2 hours later he said, "Oh, I can't forget about Bitcoin, Ethereum, you know those Bitcoin maxis for that 2 hours probably felt like 2 years they were shaking in their pants. But don't worry, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as expected, is going to be part of that crypto reserve, but we have a lot to go over. We have to talk about the prices. We have to look at the price charts. We have to see where we're going, what the whales are doing, whether they are loading up, or are they dumping. I've got you covered. It is more than 5% higher than the theory of arriving at 2,303. XRP had one of the largest gains yesterday, while Cardano was just behind it. It has now increased by more than 16% over the last 24 hours to $2.63. Yesterday, 88 took off, rising more than 60% and now trading at 97 cents. Though they are not at the dollar pegs, both USDT and USDC are coming in at 99 cents, so you kind of expect that. Let's see if these assets can hold or if we are going to see a full-blown retrace boom. The total cryptocurrency market cap is back above 3 trillion today, coming in at 3,046 billion. I think I have your answer, so stay tuned. My partner by Fi is a no KYC, no VPN, nothing works anywhere in the United States, including New York City. We have a free Signals group, which you can find on YouTube by clicking the link below. All you need to do is create an account on Fi, and in the Signals group, you will type /verify. We put this call up on Friday on LRC for a little while, and it banged out 119% ROI. It's not too bad, is it? We have another couple of calls that are out this morning. They usually come out every morning around 6 a.m. Monday through Friday because the weekends are a little volatile. Hit that link in the YouTube description, folks. It's absolutely free, even if you don't want to use the exchange. The account is free, and you get access to the group. Come check it out with us right now. When we see money leaving an exchange to go to an unknown wallet, it is very bullish. We don't want to see money leaving an unknown wallet and going to the exchange because that means they're going to dump it right here. Well, alert data indicates that at least 25 million XRP left the top South Korean exchange up it to go to an anonymous wallet. This move indicates that a whale buy-up is on the way. 25 million is a whale loading up. If you haven't checked out the Well Alerts account, you should do so. You can see all the major cryptocurrency movements happening here. For example, 3 hours ago, the price of XRP was spotted here and went from high to unknown, containing over $67 million in value. Eric Trump, there you go, he goes. I love the genius of announcing a strategic crypto reserve on a Sunday when traditional markets are closed and Wall Street is sleeping for the first time. Retail investors win traditional finance. Better catch up or it will quickly become extinct. Shots fired, folks. The world no longer runs on a Monday through Friday 9 to 5. That's right. It's 24/7, 365. Trump's tweet went viral, saying that a U.S. crypto reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration. Therefore, my executive order on digital assets directed the Presidential Working Group to move forward on a crypto strategic reserve that includes XRP. Don't rush into this. It might be a VAX or even a Trump currency. Pay attention, they're not finished. Solana and ADA on top of Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't the only 5 marks, I promise. You will also see a chain link in this. As prices continue to rise, I enjoy examining people's price charts, and this is just the beginning of true greatness. If we can close over $3.10 with confirmation, we're ready for takeoff, according to Y Crypto, who said, "We need to hold above 260 with 240 as our potential target." It sounds like the Dark Defender. Using $5.85 and 1822 as short-term possibilities, I posted an update on Twitter with a short to mid-term aim of $77.70. He claims that you may remember the historical pattern scenario that we have discussed numerous times, which states that after the 4th wave correction, XRP can reach precisely over $77, and that if your current support of $2.60 and $2.77 is broken, we can open the door to some resistance areas that sit at $5.85 and $8.03 in 1822, with a midterm target of roughly $77. Hey, I'll take any of those resistance numbers right away. If you want to give me a $5, $8, or $18 XRP, I'm down. By the summer, I think we'll all be very happy and excited. I think we'll see a little bit of a correction, which we should at this point because we just had a massive run-up. The question is, however, how low do we go? Where do we find our next support level? And how soon after that do we shoot up and skyrocket to the upside? I've pulled up the chart for you. As you can see, we are currently sitting within that resistance region, which goes from $2.65 up to $2.83. We've talked about the 282 region, and we're pretty freaking close now, aren't we? That's the number I'm keeping an eye on right now. Let's have XRP push back and hold 282, turn that into our new support zone, and then we could continue up. We won't be in that $3 region for long. $3 will be blown through, and we're going to enter price discovery on XRP. Just a week ago, for the $5 by the end of Q1 and the beginning of Q2 didn't look so hot. You see how quickly cryptocurrency flips back over, and everything changes with just one announcement. One significant announcement this time came from the president, and as you can see from the enormous green candle that was made over the weekend, we're talking about $2.19 to roughly $3. One of the most thrilling days in cryptocurrency in a long time was yesterday, and I'm eager to see where this thing will go. The numbers we were looking at and discussing with the other TA analysts all sounded fantastic to me, so I'm ready for it. I want to see a massive move, a parabolic move that gets distinct to skyrocket, rather than a slow grind up or a slow grind to the $3 region or to $4. I want to see powerful candles pushing this thing to the upside, and I'm talking chunks 3 to 350, with a little cool off between 350 and 450. XRP will probably hit double digits this year, 450 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 13, and then send this thing all the way up into that $20 region. This is just the beginning of what 2025 is going to look like, especially with this U.S. crypto strategic reserve. We need to find out more details, and I think we're going to find out this week during the first ever crypto summit that is being held. I think we're going to get an idea of the players at the table where this thing is going. Trump is moving quickly, which is what I like about him. He doesn't just talk about things, he takes action. He will make an announcement, assemble a working group on it, get everyone around the same table, lock the door, and say, make up a decision, figure out how we implement this thing, and let's hit the ground running. The cryptocurrency industry moves quite quickly, so we need someone who can keep up with it.